So I'm going to show you how to start a workout on the Google Fitbit Air. Now this is very simple. Simply launch the Google Health app on your phone, and then with the Google Health app launched, in the bottom menu, tap on Fitness, and then you should see Start a Workout. So you can see your most commonly used workouts are going to be there at the top. So you have bike, walk, run, and then you can tap on all to see all the workouts in case the one you want is not in those quick shortcuts. And there are plenty of workouts you can start tracking. So for instance, if you want to do a skating workout, for instance, just tap on skating. It's going to give you a 3-second timer and start recording your skating activity. And you can actually see in real time what everything. You can see the heart rate, the speed. Of course, if you've connected the GPS, access to GPS data of your phone to your Fitbit Air, and I have that video linked to the description, then you can actually see things like distance and speed. Once you're done, you can tap on pause, and if you're completely done, then you can tap on stop and end workout. Simple as that. And that's going to be logged in to your account. Now you can be able to choose how hard or easy it was. I'm going to tap on save, just leave it like that, and then there's a summary for my workout. Okay, so that is basically how to start a workout on your Fitbit Air. Thanks for watching and good luck.